Hi, are you looking for a way to elevate your career as an accounting professional? Becoming an enrolled agent could be the perfect opportunity for you. By obtaining the enrolled agent designation from the Internal Revenue Service USA, you will gain the ability to represent clients on tax matters before the IRS, that is Internal Revenue Service, even if you're based in India. Imagine offering these services from India, working with clients across the globe and earning top tier salaries. Let's walk through how you can become an enrolled agent and the incredible career opportunities that come with it. First, let's talk about the top benefits you will experience by becoming an enrolled agent. As an enrolled agent, you gain the right to represent clients before the IRS in any tax matters. This includes handling everything from tax returns to audits and appeals. And the best part is, you don't need to be physically located in the US to represent clients. You can do this right from India. This gives you an extraordinary edge over other non credentials professionals. Another huge benefit of becoming an enrolled agent is the potential for higher salaries and job security. The demand for enrolled agents is steadily increasing as the global tax environment becomes more complex. In fact, enrolled agents in the US can earn anywhere between $90,000 to $180,000 annually, and even in India, enrolled agents working in tax KPOs or consultancy firms can make between 1 to 2 lakh rupees per month. Lastly, becoming an enrolled agent will help you stand out from your competition. This certification will give you a significant advantage in the job market. By offering IRS related services, you can attract US tax assignments and potentially triple your salary, as you will have a unique and rare qualification that will set you apart in the global market. So, why is it so easy and worthwhile for Indian professionals like you to pursue the enrolled agent certification? For starters, you do not need a specific degree. Unlike other certifications like CA or CPA, anyone can become an enrolled agent by passing the Special Enrollment Exam, that is SEE. This makes it accessible to a variety of professionals, including accountants, financial advisors, and even law professionals who are looking to specialize in tax. Moreover, preparing for the enrolled agent exam is relatively straightforward. While becoming a CA or CPA can take several years, the preparation for the enrollment agent exam can be done in just 6 months. You can study at your own pace, taking as much or as little time as you need. The flexibility in exam preparation makes it a much quicker and more achievable goal for busy professionals who may already be working full time. Additionally, there are only 64,490 enrolled agents in the US, and this number is growing slowly. This means that the competition is still relatively low, and there are abundant opportunities for enrolled agents, particularly as the number of US incorporated businesses continues to rise. Even in India, enrolled agents working in tax related services can earn an impressive salary of 1 to 2 lakhs a month in tax and finance KPUs. Finally, one of the biggest perks of becoming an enrolled agent is the global reach it offers. You can practice tax representation from anywhere, and with India dominating the global outsourcing market for accounting services, you are sitting on a gold mine of opportunities, especially if you qualify as an enrolled agent. The global outsourcing market is projected to reach $41.7 billion by 2025, and India is expected to have 50% of this market share, creating an even more promising future for enrolled agents in India. So, how much study time is required to become an enrolled agent? On average, you will need to invest around 220 to 280 hours of total study time to prepare for the entire exam. The study time can be divided into three parts, each focusing on different aspects of US tax laws and procedures. Part 1 is individual taxation. This will require around 80 to 100 hours of preparation, which could take you about 7 to 9 weeks if you study alongside your existing work or job. Part 2 is business taxation. That requires a bit more time, 110 to 120 hours, which would typically take 10 to 12 weeks of preparation. Part 3 is representation, practices, and procedures. It should take around 60 to 80 hours and could take about 4 to 6 weeks. Given the structured timeline and the ability to study at your own pace, the preparation process is entirely manageable even while you continue working in your current job. One of the most exciting aspects of becoming an enrolled agent is the ability to take advantage of cost arbitrage. Since you will be providing US tax services from India, you can offer competitive pricing while still maintaining the high quality standards required by the IRS. This allows you to charge a fraction of what US based tax professionals charge while still offering your services at a profitable rate. As the global financial outsourcing industry continues to grow, Indian professionals who qualify as enrolled agents will be in high demand. India already dominates the global financial outsourcing market, and if you qualify as an enrolled agent, you're well positioned to tap into a vast market of US clients seeking affordable tax solutions, all while offering quality services from the comfort of your home or office. What career opportunities can you expect as an enrolled agent? Once you become an enrolled agent, you will be qualified to work in various roles, including tax consultant for US clients or businesses, IRS representation specialist handling audits and appeals, tax compliance officer, ensuring clients follow IRS tax regulations, financial advisor, specializing in US taxation for individuals or corporations. The income potential for enrolled agents is significant. Freshers in India can start earning around 10 to 15 lakhs per annum, and with more experience, you could easily increase that to 2 to 5 lakh rupees per month. This is a massive income boost compared to traditional roles in Indian accounting and finance. In our free 3-day boot camp, we'll help you build the skills and knowledge needed to pass the enrolled agent exam and succeed in this lucrative field. You will learn a thorough understanding of US tax laws and regulations, mastery of the three parts of the enrolled agent exam, the strategies you need to represent clients before the IRS, best practices for tax preparation and compliance, career insights and strategies for excelling in the tax industry. By joining our bootcamp, you'll receive exclusive resources to help you succeed, a free ebook, The Complete Guide to Becoming an Enrolled Agent, sample question papers and practice questions to help you prepare, and a step by step guide on how to network with US based enrolled agents and learn from their expertise. This is your chance to break into the world of US taxation and take your career to new heights. By becoming an enrolled agent, you will position yourself in a high demand, lucrative market with the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. The bootcamp is live only, conducted online over 9 hours. You can attend from anywhere in the world. No recordings, don't miss out on this chance. See you there.